monthly supervisory plan. Okay, so what is monthly supervisory plan? Actually, when a supervisor starts supervision, especially as an LHV, okay, we will discuss the supervisory plan for LHV because she is supervising the ANMs. Okay, so when she start supervision, she plans each and everything that we have discussed in last chapter, techniques of supervision, and after that she prepares a plan to supervise the ANMs. Okay. Normally we know that every health center, especially PHC, where LHV is posted, she has to supervise ANMs of 4 to 5 sub-centers. Okay. So under one PHC there are 4 to 5 sub-centers. So every sub-center or the LHV need to supervise 4 to 5 sub-centers. Now, in this supervisory plan, we have to write on which day I will visit which sub-center, which ANM, which village. Okay, and when she or he plan this and write on a paper, this is known as supervisory plan. Okay. During your examination, you find this question that prepare a supervisory plan to supervise ANMs of 4 sub-centers. Okay. Sometimes they may ask 5 sub-centers, but normally they ask 4 sub-centers. Okay. For the month of this. Okay. 1 month. Month of this means they give a particular month. During normally that month is the month of examination. For example, if your final exam is in June, so they will give in the question, prepare supervisory plan for LHV to supervise 4 ANMs for the month of June. Okay. Then you will be also provided a small calendar for that month. Okay. And then you will start preparing your supervisory plan. Okay. How you will write? You will write day wise. Okay, first you will check the calendar, see the calendar, and in calendar you will write the days. Okay, for example, in this month, first is on Tuesday. Okay, then you will write 1 here. Okay, and for example, in next month, that is March, first is on which day? Sunday. Okay, then you will write 1 on Sunday. Okay, so in this way, first you will write the dates. Okay, so for this month, which is shown here, we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this way up to 31st. If this month is for 31st, for example, June is 31st, so we can write here. First we will write our dates. Then we will decide on which day, which activity we can plan, or to which sub-center or which village we will visit. Okay. So normally for the supervision in 1 month, we try to cover all the ANMs which are under that PHC. Okay. And for that reason, we need to write what activity we will supervise. For example, normally on Tuesdays we held ANC clinics. Okay, and on Wednesday normally we have immunization clinics in all over India, but sometimes they may change, but we can decide that which day is for which clinic. Then we will start from first day. If it is Tuesday, then we will visit ANC clinic. Okay, then we will write ANC. Okay, then second thing we have to choose that which sub-center we will visit. ANC clinic of sub-center B. Okay, it is a sub-center B. So we will write on first day ANC SCB. ANC means antenatal clinic and SC means sub-center B. Then on Wednesday, second day, we will visit Well Baby Clinic. So we will write WBC sub-center C. So on Wednesday we will visit to subcenter C. Okay. Then on Thursday we will visit home visit, है ना? नहीं, school health service. Okay. So SHS means school health service, and in the subcenter D. Okay. And on Friday we will visit subcenter A, and on that day that subcenter will be having family planning clinic. Okay. And on Saturday we will not visit anywhere, we will just sit in our PHC and we will write some reports. Okay, so record and report, one day we have kept here, then Sunday it is holiday. Then again next week we will start from Monday and we will visit a home visit. Okay, we will accompany ANM during her home visit. So we will ask the ANM of subcenter A to plan home visit, and we will visit with her, okay, on Monday. Then on Tuesday again we will visit a ANC clinic of subcenter C. Okay. Then well baby clinic of subcenter D, school health service of subcenter A. In this way we will move. Okay, and it is very easy to write. Here we have written subcenter B. So next we will write ANC subcenter C. Next Wednesday we will write ANC subcenter D, and then ANC subcenter A. Okay, it was remaining, and now ANC subcenter B. So we can visit 2 times subcenter B. Okay, so according to the days we will cover. Then on Wednesdays all well baby clinics of subcenter C, D, A, B, and last C. Okay, so here we have visited immunization clinic of subcenter C twice, no problem. Okay, so in this way we can plan our whole month, and we will submit to our PHC in charge, as well as we will give this copy to the concerned ANMs, so that they can understand on which day our supervisor will come for supervising which activity. Okay, so in this supervisory plan we have to write dates according to the month, then activity, and then subcenter, which subcenter we are visiting. So in this way we will prepare our supervisory plan. It is very easy to plan, only 5 to 10 minutes we can prepare it, and we get full marks in this, because there is no chance to make a mistake if we have prepared once. Okay, so this is assignment for today, that you will prepare monthly plan, monthly supervisory plan for March. Okay, for your practice, and show to me